Hi guys, this is Sean from HZad Education, and today I have a very special guest, my wife, Mary Ignacio.
Hi guys!
So, what I brought Mary Ignacio, my wife, here today is to discuss some English mistakes. English is her second language. Even she's really good with that, there are occasional slips that are made, and let me tell you guys, she's from the Philippines, so I'm going to try to bring out some mistakes that are usually made in that Asian continent, and we want to see if she can overcome those mistakes. I'm going to try my best to trap her. Let's see how she does. Okay, we're going to talk about pronunciation first of all. I'm going to give her some words. Let's see if she can say them correctly. The first word here.
Applicable.
Again, loudly.
Applicable.
So, applicable is correct, alright? That's a good pronunciation because a lot of people say applicable, which is wrong. It should be the app sound, and that's missing in the Filipino accent, which is Tagalog. Similarly, there's another word right here.
Cat.
Cap, again, that app sound, so she got it. Sometimes when she's in a rush and we're standing in this kitchen talking about cap, sometimes she says cup, and then we're looking at cups and caps differently, which can be frustrating. Speaking of that, the very next word from the top.
Category.
Very good. It's not category. That's a Tagalog accent in its pure form, but category is correct. The very next word is the cutest pronunciation. Let's do it wrong this time. How do Filipinos pronounce this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Very cute, right? That's why I love to hear it. I love to hear it more than the correct accent, but the correct way to say that.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. It's actually two syllables, guys. Chocolate, not chocolate. Alright, the next word. Now this is confusing for many people, not just in Asia, but almost everybody who has English as a second language gets this wrong.
Comfortable.
Correct, better. Now it could have more R. I would prefer she rolls her R more and says comfortable, but I don't blame her because this sound is a mixture of F and R. So it's really a mix. So it's not, comfortable. That is absolutely wrong. It's comfortable. Yeah, so I don't know why they spelled it like that, but it is what it is. Let's go to our final word. Not a good word, but let's hear it.
Idiot.
Idiot. Okay, so that's correct. Sometimes we get frustrated. It becomes a common part of our vocab at home when we're mad at someone. So idiot is correct, but when she's trying to be funny, she pronounces it as
Idiot.
Or how about idiot? Idiot, right? So when she really wants to emphasize it, her accent comes out, it becomes idiot, but it should be idiot. All right. Not something I want to teach, but you gotta know things. Okay, now we're gonna do another list right here. And I'm going to ask her to just go ahead with the list, all words at once.
Lettuce. Maniac. Picture. Squirrel. Suicide. Executive.
Okay, so this is a retake of this. And in the first one, she was having a little mistake with suicide. That's what people usually say, which is wrong. Okay, so it should be suicide, the I should be silent. Now she's learning because we're doing retakes of this video. So, good job, Grace. Suicide is correct, not suicide. Executive, I really applaud her for knowing that because a lot of people say
Executive.
Executive, so not Q, the Q is silent, it's
Executive
is correct. Alright, maniac is also correct. When she wants to say something to me, in her natural accent she says maniac, right?
Yes.
Which is wrong. It should be maniac. Okay, great. Now let's give her some sentences and see if she does well in sentences. Okay. This life is so exciting.
This life is so exciting. Yeah.
Again, this
life is so exciting.
Exciting. Now she got it. The first time she was trying to say exciting, which is wrong, guys. It shouldn't be the Z sound. Exciting, it's wrong. It should be more S. Exciting. That X is more like S. Exciting. Okay. Next one is, I don't have time for you. Sometimes she is mad at me, so she's like, I don't have time for you, I'm busy. Can you say that now?
I don't have time for you, I'm busy.
Busy, very good. So now she's saying it correctly. If she's in a rush, or when people say busy, they make a mistake and they say busy, which is wrong. So I'm busy is correct. Here it's actually more Z. Now this one's going to be tough for her. Let's try it. The computer will start automatically.
The computer will start automatically.
Wow, okay, she got it now. She's in her game right now. What she had as a mistake before, many years ago, was saying Kali, automatic Kali, which is wrong, guys. Whenever it's ALY, automatically, or
Say automatically.
Yeah. Whenever it's words like automatically, stoically, romantically, it's no A, alright? That A is silent, and that's one thing she's really improved on. So, again guys, this is what happens when you marry someone who's an English teacher. So, you're welcome. The next word is, or actually now we're going to go into the grammar. Now grammar mistakes are very common when I hear her Filipino friends talking, her Asian friends talking, when they're relaxed. So a slip that happens is, Sean, did you saw that movie? What's wrong there?
Did you see?
Did you see, not did you saw, guys. So did you plus present tense is correct, not did you plus past. That's absolutely wrong. Another thing is in August or on August. In August, not on with months. Is it so traffic?
No.
What is it?
Traffic.
Traffic. There is traffic or there's so much traffic. So if you're in the Philippines and you're watching this video, you need to learn this because there is a very common saying, there is so traffic, which is wrong.
Much traffic.
So much traffic because traffic is a noun, not an adjective. When you say adjectives, you say so. It's so busy, so tiring, whatever. But not traffic, it's a noun. So when there's lots of cars, what do we say?
Many cars.
No.
Traffic.
There's
So much traffic.
so much. Very good, there's so much traffic. Okay, do you open the lights?
No, you turn on the lights.
You turn the lights on. Turn the lights on is correct. Okay. Now, when I am outside driving, she's asking me when I'm gonna go home. Should you say, when are you gonna go home or when are you gonna come home?
Come home.
Come home is correct, guys. Remember, whenever something is coming towards you, it is come. Whenever it's going away from you, it's go. So if I leave home right now, she's gonna ask me, when are you gonna go and get some groceries? She doesn't do that, but sometimes, you know. Okay, last one, which again, I'm happy she doesn't do, but a lot of my students make this mistake, and that is with the word gonna. Okay, so what is correct? I will gonna do this, or I am gonna do this.
I am gonna do this.
I am gonna do this is correct, guys. Never say will plus gonna. Absolutely wrong. It's always I am gonna. That is the correct way to say it. That is our lesson for our grammar and pronunciation. Very common mistakes made by a lot of my Asian students and immigrants generally. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Tell your friends what we're doing here so they can learn more. If you'd like to see my wife more on YouTube, please let me know. I think it will be an exciting idea. Thank you guys. It's been a pleasure. I'll talk to you very soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.